Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on these secure privacy luggage tags. So you get 2 of them. Now we can write on the back of this, but the main thing is you can attach this to your luggage. It comes with this little lanyard here that's kind of plastic. Put this through here and wrap that around your luggage. But if somebody finds your luggage, say you've lost it, all they got to do is get their camera out, scan this QR code, and then you can start talking to him. Now that uses a secure app. And it's free, by the way, other than the purchase of the actual product. Using it is free. And you're not going to be disclosing your information until you're ready to. So the first thing you have to do is, before you put this on your luggage, you've got to, you want to scan this. So open up your camera app, scan it, click the little, there's a little yellow pop-up, click that. Now that's going to take you to a website. And you're going to put in different information. You do have to give it your email address so that it knows that it's you. Activate code. I already have my email address installed on this app, and now I can get started. But it would send my email code, and then you enter the code, and then that's all the information you've given it. You haven't given it your name or anything yet. I want to customize the code. This is the message that somebody will see when they scan it. When somebody scans it, this is what's going to pop up on their phone. Hey, this is my, this is a message that was already installed. I mean, this is called the auto. They had that installed for you. Now I can say what this is for. This is for, let's say this is for Tom's carry-on. I could even put a picture and hit save. Okay. This code is ready. I really haven't given any information, but if somebody does find my bag, I will get a notification because I have the app installed on my phone. So now let's go back and let's say somebody finds this. It's going to say scan to message owner. All right, let's say I'm the guy that found it. I'm going to open this up. And it's going to open up a messaging inside an app. Again, the person doesn't have to install an app on their phone. It's going to message, and I can do this anonymously. See, there's the code that pops up that I installed, that I told what was going to pop up when I set it up. So now I can just message him anonymously. Hey, I found your bag. Hit send. Now over here on this, I'm going to get a pop-up notification and it says, Tom's carry-on, I found your bag. Now, I haven't disclosed any information with them yet. Eventually I will if I want to get my bag or, make contact with them. I could say, meet me downstairs. All right, now this person is also going to get that message. Here it is. And again, this is a free app. I'm not really seeing any ads or anything other than the purchase price of the actual product. This is free to use. And it seems very well designed and the layout of it. Now, here's the person that found your bag. Let's say it's going to be maybe a couple days before you get back to them. Maybe you're traveling. They can tap this little red thing and they can receive an email whenever you respond back. So they don't have to have this open all the time. So that's kind of nice. And then you can just talk back and forth and you're ready to go. These are really nice. Again, it's not, you can't tear that. I could write something on here also. They could just go to a website and type in that code. They don't have to have a camera. So say they don't have a phone. They just type that website in or go to the app and then type that code in or something. Maybe they can't read the code. Pretty nice. I really do like these. Now, SeQR did send these to me for free for reviewing, but I actually do really like them and approve of them. So these are just really nice. I like that it's free, and the messaging app is really well designed. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.